Welcome, guys. We are going to discuss a lot of shit on today's episode. That market was brutal. It was brutal yesterday, okay? Absolutely brutal. The Chinese crashed the market. What can I say? It's always the Chinese. No, I didn't say anything. Right, so, in today's update video, we've got a lot to discuss. Gamma levels, charts, trades, fucking news. You explain it. You got it. That made no sense. Fuck it. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, guys, going to make myself a little bit smaller. We're going to get stuck straight into this. We're going to start off with some fun stuff, then get into the boring stuff. This is the AMD chart. I'm not going to waste any time. Usually I chat shit for a bit. Not going to do that. AMD chart, guys. We are seeing downwards chop. You guys know I love downwards chop if you're part of my Discord group. Which, by the way, just saying, is right here. And I did post my trades that I entered yesterday on that big pullback because I was heavily in cash. Happy days. Posted all the gamma levels today for SPX like I do every day. If you're not part of the Discord, please come and join. You can see even if you've got a small account, you can see Jen here post 0 days to expiration SPX trades every single day, and she makes an absolute killing on that. So she has doubled her small account from, I believe it was $10,000 to $20,000 in like 2 months. Fair play to her. I can't remember if that's exactly correct, but anyway, yeah. In fact, I'll show you the weekly recap very, very quickly that I posted yesterday. Weekly recap. So here was last week. Last week I did 11 wins, 0 losses, 0 rules, 1 assignment. We took assignment of the MSTU 11.5 put. I'm going to sell covered calls today on our big jump up. And we're going to collect some sweet, sweet premium. I'm going to get paid for trying to sell this stock at a profit. Why would you not do that, guys? It's a no-brainer. Covered calls are amazing. They are amazing. Anyway, chart on AMD, downwards chop, bullish divergence getting created. We keep chopping into this nice zone, bouncing. We're wicking off this huge downward slope and support on the daily. Again, this chart is looking good, guys. It just keeps getting cheaper. It just keeps getting cheaper. The cheap can always get cheaper. But that's the thing about cash secured puts and selling options. We can manufacture our losses into wins. If we take a bullish position on AMD right now and it doesn't go in our way, we can manufacture the win. We can manufacture the win through rolling, through doubling down, through selling covered calls, through selling additional puts, through credit spreads. There's so many things that we can do to drop our break evens on AMD. It is fantastic. That's why I just love option selling, guys. It really did change my life. I want to show you the XRP for a second. Check this chart out. Check this chart out. If I draw a zone from the tops of these candles to the bottoms here. Wow, what a buying opportunity I missed yesterday, guys. Look at the wick on this. Look at the wick on this. 15% wick. Wow. This was an opportunity. And let me tell you something. If you guys don't own XRP, look at this for a chart. This fact does not even count the wicks. Makes it look even better. This is breaking, guys. This is breaking. New all-time high coming for XRP. This coin is doing things. Bitcoin, obviously, guys, that is the most important chart for us to look at because, you know, we trade a lot of crypto in the Discord. We trade a lot of crypto-related stocks in the Discord. Look at the retest all the way down to this key support. Bounced off the 50 EMA with a huge wick, and now we're flipping green. Oh my, this is bullish. This is bullish. It's a shame some of my covered calls are going to expire the money, but I'm going to roll them. I'm going to keep rolling my covered calls and collecting thousands of dollars each month. Amazing. Cannot complain there. Nothing to complain about there. But let's address the elephant in the room, shall we? The elephant in the room. What everyone was waiting for me to talk about, because I'm probably going to make a clickbaity ass title about it. Nvidia. Nvidia. We dropped 20.5% in a day, guys. 20.5%. That is insane on the world's largest company. Insane. Okay. You can see we lost all of this key support straight away even before the market opened. And then we continued down to my little supply zone here through our indicator, which is telling us this is a possible bounce zone, which it is. It's wicking off it perfectly. RSI is at 34. We're almost at the oversold on the daily. So I'm playing a bunch on this. You guys seen there in the Discord, I sold puts. I am playing a bounce on this. Where did the Discord go? Right here. You can see I am playing a bounce. Sold the 100 strike puts for 21st of February. Also, guys, the 112 trade that I posted yesterday, or that we opened together in the Discord, remember that? That was because of the volatility increase. So if I open VX, you can see the VIX, the volatility is still spiking to the upside. And that is exactly why I opened that trade. When the volatility spiked, you get way more premiums on these futures trades for going further out of the money. So that's exactly why I took actually it wasn't even a 112, it was a 222, so I took an extra hedge as well. So I'm collecting like $100 for the month on that, which was absolutely fantastic. And we have a possible max profit of 350. So if you missed today's episode or yesterday's episode, guys, you should go watch it and see how I entered that trade. And make sure you watch all these live, because some of them I will be entering trades, and on some I post these straight away after I upload them. Keep that in mind. My chair is creaking like fuck and it's annoying me. Hear that? Piece of shit. God damn it. What else have we got to look at? What else made big moves yesterday? Let's have a look at the watch list. Percent change. Hot. Oh, the crypto miners got slaughtered, it seems. I didn't even notice this. Hot. Jesus. Hot, what are you playing at? 30% red day? Where's all the put sellers at? Riot? Okay. Cash cured put day today on Riot. Tell that right now. Yep. Selling puts on Riot today, guys. I want to own Riot. Selling puts on Riot. I need in. Let's check some premiums. Let's do this together. Just before earnings. Fuck, what if I go after earnings? 8 put. $8.5 put just after earnings. 9 put. How far away is the 9 put? See, I like doing this with you guys live so you can see my thought process of just key areas that kind of like to own these stocks. 8.5 put is where I'm going to put a key level on this chart. Or I'm going to put a key level around here. You can see why I'm putting a key level here. It's because we had a bounce here. There's a high volume zone around here just above it. And then we had this key levels here. And with the key level here. Key level here. Okay. So this is, and then even way back here we had some sort of key level there as well. So this is exactly why this is going on my chart. And that is at the 8.66. So we want the 8.5 strike. Okay, today guys, I am going to sell the 8.5 strike, 31 days to expiration, and I'm probably going to do 5 contracts. So that'll collect me $110. It'll probably be a bit more because Bitcoin's bounced overnight, or a bit less. Even if that's down to like $17, that's going to collect me $85 for the month. I'd only take 4,000 in buying power. I'm very happy with that because I'm sitting very heavy in cash right now. I need to sell some puts on these pullbacks. MSTX might actually even be a good one too. If I go... Oh, I missed some good premiums yesterday. No. It's because I was so busy. Okay, I'll have to go next week and sell like the 24 put. If I can get like $20 a contract for the 24 put, I will be very, very happy. Maybe even take a 28 put. Oh, that's paying nice. Even a 27 put's paying it. 28 put's paying lovely. Okay, I want to try and take a 28 put as well for MSTX. And I'll probably strangle it, sell a call as well, sell the 93 call, $32, sell the 28 put. Boom, there you go. There's $80 in a week, 2,700 buying power. Yes, please, get in my back pocket. I will gobble that up all day. Like a dog eating hot chips, as I say. Like a dog eating hot chips. I tend to repeat myself a lot. I don't know why. Anyway, let's get into the boring shit, guys. Let's start off with the news, I suppose. Nvidia. Get away, ads. Cookies. I love cookies. DeepSeek. DeepSeek is the reason Nvidia dropped yesterday. I don't know if you guys know this, but many think it's an overcorrection. So I'm going to explain this to you in layman's terms, like really easily, what caused this and why this is happening with Nvidia shares. So China basically had this AI breakthrough. They've released this DeepSeek model that is competing with ChatGPT, and apparently they don't need Nvidia GPUs, and they're doing it at a fraction of the cost. So I want to explain this to you in layman's terms. So remember back in the 1950s, well, I say remember back in the 1950s like I was born back then. but I just wasn't. So I'm going to explain it to you like this anyway. The 1950s, whenever NASA was in the space race with Russia, the Soviet Union, and when NASA were spending hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of millions to develop their space program, yet Russia had a very tight budget, and they were still able to develop and send the first satellite into orbit. Okay. Meanwhile, the US are spending millions of dollars to develop a pen that works in space, whereas the Russians just bought a pencil for 1 ruble. We spent millions of dollars developing a pen. They just used a pencil. And that's the difference here. That's the difference here. It's now turning into an earning scenario, thinking, oh my god, is AMD not going to need to sell as many chips? Are these chips being overproduced? Are they not going to be sold as much as we thought? Is the demand for these chips going to drop? Well, that's the risk, and that's what's on everyone's minds. The banks don't seem to think so. Wall Street doesn't seem to think so. They're holding their buy ratings. So that's another thing. That's interesting. They're holding their buy ratings. I'm still buying. I love it down here. I can't lie. To me, it's cheap. I'm going to keep buying. And the lower it goes, the more I buy. It's quite frankly as simple as that. Next thing we're going to look at is, well, here's the Bitcoin liquidation heat map. You can see we have a lot of liquidation here lying at the 106,000. I think it's going to come up here to tap that liquidity. Bitcoin short liquidation, or liquidations in general, we had 321 million wrecked. Quite a lot liquidated. Good sign for a reversal. Bitcoin ETF inflows, we had an outflow of $457.6 million. And let's get into the gamma levels. So for SPX, let's see, SPX, we are in negative gamma. And here's your expirations for today. You can see we were negative gamma, and we have a huge put wall coming in at 5955, 5980. So we've got huge put walls there. Call walls, we're in the money, guys. So it's like we're in severe negative gamma on this one. So market makers need to keep hedging and pushing this market lower, in theory, based on the gamma levels. Here's the rest of the expirations, and here is all expirations. So from all expirations, you can see 6,200 roughly. So 6,200 is our call resistance, 5,800 is our put resistance. And I posted this in the Discord, guys. Remember, it is in the Discord first thing whenever I wake up in the morning. And there's all the trading view chart levels for it as well, which I again post in the Discord every single morning. Let's have a look at Nvidia. This one's going to be probably a sight to behold. Yeah, we are in severe. How is the gamma condition positive on this? To me, that does not look positive. Spot price is way below all these levels. Yeah, to me, this looks like it wants to squeeze lower. Although 150 is still the target to the upside for the calls. But I mean, really, I don't know about that. Here's the next expiration right up here. You can see we gain 150, but we are way down here, guys. We're like, I don't know. I think we're at key gamma support, put it that way. I don't think it can go much lower. I really don't think it can go much lower than this, to be perfectly honest with you guys. I really don't. You know, we're in the lower band on this too. Yeah, guys, it's due a bounce. That's what I'm saying. Sell puts, cash secure put city, as I say. CSP city, CSP that shit. CSP that shit. It is CSP city. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. I hope you gained something from it. And please come back tomorrow for the next one. And we will be discussing more cool shit, more boring shit. It is what it is. Let me make myself bigger to say goodbye. Please join the Discord and subscribe, because I need money. I need money like all of us. Subscribe, but you're gonna benefit from it, because I post all my trades and we're up like $7,500 on the year. It's great. And if you have a larger account and you're taking more than contracts than me, then you're up like 14,000, 20,000, whatever you want. All right, guys. Thank you. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.